Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature on LinkedIn: how to view your archived messages. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by your messaging inbox, archiving can be a lifesaver. Let's walk through the updated steps to access those archived messages. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily navigate through the features. Next, look for the messaging icon located in the top corner of your screen. It usually resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Once you find it, click on that icon to enter your messaging section. Now that you're in the messaging area, you'll see a list of all your conversations. To access your archived messages, look for the message section within this interface. There should be an option labeled Archived that you can select. Clicking on this will take you directly to all the messages you've archived previously. It's important to remember that archiving a message does not delete it. It simply removes it from your main inbox view. This means you can always return to these conversations later, without cluttering your active message list. If you ever need to unarchive a message, just follow the same steps and select the conversation you want to restore. In summary, here's a quick recap of the steps. Open the LinkedIn app. Click on the messaging icon in the top corner. Select the archived section from your message options. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your LinkedIn communications and keep your inbox organized. Archiving messages allows you to focus on current conversations while still retaining access to important past discussions. So go ahead and tidy up that inbox. Happy networking.